So we've got a set of seats from the BMW E30. This is a car S.O.S Series 12. Just checking the bolsters. That one looks okay, nice and firm. That's a passenger inner. Outside tends not to fare so well. Let's have a squeeze. There you go. Yeah, pretty floppy. Let's get some bit of bulk on there. Me, hold it down, and you can see that needs sorting out. So strip the seats anyway. Foam's off. Something's missing there. Let's check the other side. Yep, there's one there, but there's not one there. So where is it? There's only one place it can be. There you go, holding away in that little foam pocket. Get this out. And it's going to be the same with the driver's side. We'll have to get these welded back on. Driver's outer bolster, frame poking through the foam. That's in line with the lungs. Bottom part's in line with the kidneys. So unless you want to get prodded in either, get your LS seats checked.